Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the special projects. Today we're going to be doing pipe for the cat, an exhaust. We already have a muffler down there, and flywheel. And some other good news is transmission is ordered and it's on its way. So let's go ahead and start heading on down there, and I'll get you down there. Whew. That got flash. So we just got word that our transmission is coming in. Finally. My mom's on the phone with her now, with the person who's gonna bring it to us. Sorry for the camera. And come on. I'm sorry about everything that has happened in this video already. Come on, girl. There you go. I think she's unplugged already. And we're gonna meet them somewhere close. So I'll see you guys when we're there.
Cut it off. But you said I broke it off. Well, I gotta go. I need to go back to the house.
Alright, I guess before I forget, we bought some brand new, not brand new, but wheels for the 4Runner, and they're in very good freaking shape. I mean, I'm in here cleaning them up now. And these wheels are the ones that is on my mom's. I wanted some like hers, so I just found these. I got all 4 of them. Nothing wrong with them for like $300, and that's good. That's good. And they have at least 50% tread left, so it's gonna last me a pretty good while. I'd like to get some more. So I've already got one in here now, cleaning them up. I want to put some like white in between these letters, because to me these ain't white enough. So alright, so I've got 2 done. This one looks pretty good. And I've got the one under there. And this is what it looks like without it. And this is what it looks like with. That's pretty decent. I went ahead and brought them all in tonight. We haven't got them a season. We only paid $300 for them, which I told you guys that already. But these are the new wheels for the 4Runner. And I think that's it. I think that's all I need to share with you. They're all in here, so it's supposed to be a 100% chance of raining tomorrow. I guess I'm gonna come out here in the burning rain. Did I just say burning rain? God dang it, Bobby. Anyway, guess I'm gonna come out here in the rain, finish it up. What left of this stuff I have. That's what I use. It's got this little brush, this little pin or whatever. You just push down and drag it. It's got that. You just push it down, squeeze it, and just go at it. Take it. That'll leave it now. But I think it's it. And another thing about these wheels, these are one size down from the ones that's already on there. They are 16 by 7s is what's on the 400 now, and now these are 15 by 7s. So I don't know if they're gonna fit, like clear the brake and everything. That's what I'm mostly worried about there. But after all this, all we need to do is fix the bell housing, because it has a crack in it this big, and we're gonna take it to like a welder in Alabama, since he's pretty good with that. Because the new bell housing that come with the new transmission, the starter is on the other side, and it needs to be on, I think, this side. I think it needs to be on the left side instead of the right. And on the new transmission, on that bell housing is on the right. So I think after all that, we need to just fix the headlights, windshield, put new plugs in it, and change the oil. I think it'll be it. But that's all. I feel like I'm forgetting some. Anyway, I guess that's all for this video, guys. Let me know what you think of it so far. It's gonna be the new daily driver. So, I'm tired, people. You can't. But I guess it's gonna be it for now. And I guess I'll see you on the next part.